In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule giveaways and contests across platforms, saving you time while boosting your engagement. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a powerful tool that makes this process a whole lot easier with a free trial exclusive for viewers of this channel. Let's dive in. The first thing you need is a tool that supports scheduling contests and giveaways on multiple platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and more. Without this, you'll be manually posting on every platform, and that's just a nightmare. But with the right software, you can schedule everything in one go and keep things automated. When you're choosing the software, look for one that allows you to create posts, set your contest or giveaway start and end dates, and then schedule them across all your accounts. The tool I'll be showing you today does exactly that. It's simple, intuitive, and gives you a bird's eye view of all your campaigns, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Start by connecting all your social media accounts to the software. Once that's done, you'll be able to see all your platforms in one place. You'll want to create your giveaway or contest post. This should include clear instructions, any relevant hashtags, and a call to action to get people involved. This is your chance to tell followers exactly how to enter, so make sure the rules are easy to follow and the prize is enticing. Next, set your start and end dates. This is where scheduling comes into play. You want to decide exactly when the contest will go live and when it will end without having to manually post every time. The software will let you schedule all the posts at once across all your platforms. You can even create multiple posts with different angles to keep your audience engaged throughout the contest period. Make sure you set reminders for yourself within the software. For example, you can schedule reminder emails to your participants or push notifications to your followers. This ensures that your giveaway stays top of mind. Once your posts are scheduled, you can monitor performance directly through the software. Some tools even provide analytics so you can track how your posts are performing on each platform, helping you fine-tune future contests. One important thing to remember is that consistency is key. Scheduling your posts ahead of time gives you more freedom and guarantees that your giveaway will run smoothly without the stress of manual posting. A key takeaway here is scheduling giveaways and contests across platforms is all about using the right software to automate the process. You save time, maintain consistency, and give yourself more room to engage with your audience rather than just focusing on posting. To recap, pick the right software, connect your platforms, create your posts, set your start and end dates, and schedule across all accounts. Don't forget to keep track of your contest's performance with analytics. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and see how easy it can be to schedule giveaways and contests across multiple platforms. Thanks for watching.